Hi students, welcome back. I hope you had a great vacation, a staycation I guess you could call it. When you first go into Teams, this is what you should see. So you're in the probability and statistics team. In that we have what's called the general channel, and that's where you should start off. These other things are different channels for each of the different topics we're doing. So we just did sampling methods. This week we're going to be doing designing experiments. So I'd like you to go to that first. And here there are a couple of posts. We always start off in the post section. And each of these is one of the videos that I'd like you to watch. You can also get to those by going to Notes. And there's a note here about this current week. So welcome back. You should be receiving your new packet. If you haven't already gotten it, it should be on the district website. Where it's possible, I will try to assign online work because I think that's easier both for you and for me, since you don't have to print out a paper version of it, write on that, scan it back in, and then submit it. So instead, if you can do the work online, I think that's preferable. So please, this time, complete the online quiz version of the experiment problems. It's basically the same content as what you'd have on the packet. Now, you do not need to do both. If you do the packet, you don't need to do the online quiz. If you do the online quiz, you don't have to do the packet. They're the same thing, just different ways of putting in the information. But before you do that, please first watch the controlled experiment video. And then, if you don't mind, check out the magic of the placebo. It's a video about the placebo effect. I think it's pretty well done. Once you've done those, you can watch a PowerPoint or a video version of it that also talks about experimental design. Okay, now you can also get to those. If you go up to the top here, you'll see that it says controlled experiment. This tab is just for that video. So if you click on that, it should play the video right here in Teams. So you would just click here, it would start playing the video. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because you can do that on your own. Notice it'll say 3 more here. Now, it may not be controlled experiment when you come in. It'll list one of these, and the things that it can't fit are under more. You can go to Files, you can go to Notes, you can go to Experiment Design. This is the PowerPoint that I was telling you about, and this is a video version I made of it. If you don't want to watch the video version of it, but you want to go through it at your own pace, just go up to the top here where it says Files, click on that. And this is the only file I've presented for this. This is the actual PowerPoint. So you can flick through that at your own pace. Okay, so that's pretty much it until it's time to actually turn it in. And again, you can get to this through the notes if you click on the form here, or if you just get in here now in general and you want to find out, well, what assignments are due, there will be notices about some of them, but you can click on assignments and see all the assignments that have been assigned. And here's the one for experiment online quiz. If you click on that, yours won't look like this because you're a student. So I'm going to go to the student view. And this is what you're going to see. If you click on experiments, it'll take you to the Microsoft form of the quiz. So it should look like that. And the first thing it asks for is your name. It should actually know who you are anyway because you went in through Teams. But if you use the link and go in some other way, it doesn't know who you are. So I put in a question to please put in your name. And don't put in something silly because I might get confused and not know who you are and not give you credit, which would be a shame. Okay, and then here's the quiz. It's the same information that's in the packet, the same questions. If you go through this, there should be 24 questions in here. And once you put all your information in, just click submit. For multiple choice, it is possible for it to grade these automatically. It should also tell you whether or not you got the question right, though I may have forgotten to do that in this case. For the open-ended questions, which is the majority of this, you're just going to enter information in the box here, and it will put that online for me to see later. So if you get a final grade from this, it's not really your grade. It doesn't know how to grade these, so it might tell you you got nothing right, which isn't true. Okay, I will go in and look at them later. If I have to put grades in for them, I can grade it from the information you put in. Okay, and that's pretty much it. If instead you decided, oh, I don't want to do it that way, I want to do it with the, let's see, let me go there. Nope. I go to general and then assignments, it'll list them all again. And here again, it's not going to look the same for you, but if you go to the hand-in digital copy, you'll see something that looks like this. It'll say hand in your packet here, and I guess you have a way of putting that in. It might give you some additional things. Some of the assignments I did will actually give you a list of the videos and things here, so you can go to them that way. And this should be basically everything you need to get your assignment done and turn it in. Please do that. Okay, have a great week.